So, normally, whenever you do anything which will destroy the normal flow of nature, there is always a repercussion to it. Maybe not when you are developing the thing, but in the place where you're staying itself, where very often people feel different. This is the impact which, when you obstruct nature, everybody has to pay for it. Because we are all part of nature, no? And nature has its course. And once this course is obstructed, everything will change. There was a house, actually in Portuguese. That house was built on the flow of a river. Because that is natural. Nature made the river flow in a certain way, carrying a certain energy. This is a ley line of energy which goes through. But when that is obstructed, what happened? It have a certain damage. So that's house, the person blocked the flow of the river and make another side of the river go all the way. And he built his house, beautiful house, probably with you. But whoever lived in that house, they all died of cancer. They all were sick. Until once somebody told them, this was the river before. Because you have blocked and changed the flow of that river, that's why. So what he did, he dug and remade the house with a hole. That river, again he blocked the river, and the river would flow again back its same route. So before that, everybody will fall sick and everybody will be having cancer and so on, and they will die also. So this made him think. That's why he wanted to understand about the energy flow. So when somebody told him that, he changed it and everything went perfect. So nature, whenever you obstruct nature, you change nature, you will always be unhappy. The same thing with human itself. When God create you unique. What does He want you? To learn to accept you. So when you go against your own nature, would you be happy? You will never be happy. As much as you want to say that, yes, I am happy, you will never. And if you are not happy, you will make always others not happy. So this is the flow of nature. So, any obstruction? Have a certain question.
Thus, what should we do? If we are bearing witness to this, what should be our stance towards this?
Well, look, you can't do anything, because I don't think this land belongs to you. I don't think the forest belongs to you. This is up to the person there. But what you can do, really, as much as the trees are being cut down, or try to plant trees. Encourage others to do it. Don't just say, yes, oh, they are destroying this nature, but yet you don't do anything. Talking, everybody can talk, because this tongue doesn't have any bones inside. Everybody comes with great ideas. Ask, you ask anybody. Everyone has great ideas how to save the world. Do it. Stop talking. So if you just plant even one tree, yes, you can say, yes, I have done something. But if you have never planted a tree itself, it's of no use go around and say, yes, my world, you have to save the world, you have to protect this and that. Like there's this little girl going around, saying to everybody, how dare you, how dare you, how dare you. Go and plant some trees. But this is how you should do. But just talking like that is useless. Because everybody can say many things. Do it. Start by planting trees. And encourage others to plant trees. Create this balance. Because nature also is creating the balance. Don't think that when they are cutting the tree, nature have already provided. The trees are shedding the seeds everywhere, and the seeds will grow. But when you want to really show that you are doing something, don't just talk. Because that kind of things, there's a lot of people to do. Be active in life. Then you can say, yes, I have done something. That's it. Start by planting your trees. Somebody who's going and fight with somebody who is cutting their trees on their land. Start by planting your trees. And if somebody else come and cut your trees, then you have full right to fight with them.